Hey everyone, welcome back to Truehost Academy. Today we're diving into an essential feature for your website, adding a newsletter in WordPress. Whether you're looking to engage your audience or keep them updated, a newsletter is a must. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why newsletters are important. They help you build a loyal audience, drive traffic to your site, promote products and services, share valuable content directly with subscribers. To add a newsletter, you'll need a plugin. A few popular options are MailChimp for WordPress newsletter, WPF forms. Sendinblue, let's go with the MailPoet plugin for this tutorial. First, we need to install the MailPoet plugin. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar, type MailPoet and hit Enter. You'll see it appear at the top of the list. Click Install now and then activate. Once activated, you'll notice a new menu item called MailPoet in your dashboard. Click on it. You'll be guided through a setup wizard. Follow the prompts to configure your settings, like your sender email and name. This is important because it's how your subscribers will recognize your newsletters. Now, let's create your first newsletter. Go to MailPoet and select Emails. Click on New Email. You have options for Newsletter, Automatic Latest Content, or Welcome Email. Choose Newsletter and then click Create. Here you'll see a drag and drop editor. You can add text, images, buttons, and more. Customize it to match your brand. Next, let's add some subscribers. Head over to MailPoet and click on Subscribers. You can manually add subscribers or import a list. If you're importing a list, make sure it's in CSV format. Just click Import, upload your file, and follow the prompts. Once your newsletter is ready and your subscribers are set, it's time to send it out. Click Next in the newsletter editor. Review your email, choose your recipients, and decide if you want to send it immediately or schedule it for later. After your newsletter is sent, you can track its performance. Go to MailPoet and click on Stats to see open rates, click rates, and more. This information is crucial for understanding what your audience likes and improving future newsletters. And that's it. You've successfully added a newsletter to your WordPress site. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you next time.